Watch it, watch it. Here we go. Oh, not yet, not yet. Okay, go get it. Okay, thanks for being here, Jerry Norton. And on this video, we're gonna talk about house flipping software, right? Everybody loves software, and I'm gonna show you how to get house flipping software, and I'm gonna talk to you about house flipping software, and we're gonna do a review on house flipping software right here, right now on this video. All right, hello there, Jerry Norton. Thanks for being here. Welcome to another episode of Real Estate Freedom TV. And on this video, like I said, we're gonna do a review on house flipping software. Now, it's kind of a buzzword, right? Software. And what's really cool is if you think about the last couple of years, there have been so many advancements in technology and software that it's streamlined and it's automated and it's simplified so many of the processes in real estate. And I love that because I'm all about time, right? I want to be able to do whatever I can in less time, make more money in less time, right? And that's the whole goal here. The purpose of this channel, the reason why you're watching this video is because I want to help you achieve freedom, financial freedom, time freedom, so that you can live your higher purpose, live your dream life. And I'll tell you, software has really changed my entire life and my entire business. In fact, a couple years ago, I started to see, man, if only I had a tool that could do this thing for me, that would save me a lot of time. If I had a software tool that could do this one thing for me, that would save me a lot of time. I started looking at the entire business and breaking down each of the steps and saying, boy, is there a way to automate that? Is there a way to simplify that? Is there a way to create some kind of software where it'll do that for me so that I don't have to do it? And isn't that awesome? Isn't that amazing? And I've developed some of the best software in the marketplace that does different things in the business that really simplify things. Like, automated contracts where you fill out a couple things, boom, it spits out a contract for you. Saves you, tons of time. One of the biggest things that I've done is deal finding software. I've got several deal finding tools that actually are a software tool. And what it does is it uses technology and algorithms and a lot of behind the scene things. I got an entire tech team in Pakistan that builds out software for me because it's so powerful if you have the right tools to do this business. I want to talk to you about how to use some of this software. If you're doing things the old way, like I did when I first got started, when I got started 15 years ago, there wasn't really any software out there. There weren't tools. I had to do everything the hard manual way, right? And it worked because that was all we had at the time. But now I'm able to do so many things in the business that make me money faster than ever before. It frees up so much more time, and I love that. So if you're into software, you're gonna love this business because there are some really cool tools that will really, like I said, streamline a lot of the business. If you're maybe an older demographic and you're like, man, that software stuff, that's kind of like, I'm way past that. That's before my time or after my time, and I'm not sure I can deal with software. Here's what I've done. I've created software with you in mind and with the non-tech person in mind, someone that's got no experience, not tech savvy. How can I make it user-friendly, super easy to use? And one of my softwares that I want to talk to you about today actually does that. It is so brain dead easy. I swear a monkey could do it because all you have to do is put in your zip code into a box. Well, you got to log in, you got to put your email and password. Opens up a page, right? Put your zip code in. There's a box right there. Put your zip code in, hit go, and it'll automatically create a list of underpriced properties for sale in that zip code. It'll just populate a list, and it'll give you the address. It'll give you, you can click on it and it opens up another window and shows you all the details about that house. It even has a little field where it says the percentage below market value. So it'll say, 25%, 32%, 18%, 47%, whatever it is below the market value, it'll tell you how far below. What's cool about that is you can say, you know what, I'm gonna go after the ones that are the highest margin below value first, because those are your hottest deals. So it even lets you do that. But it's just really simple, generates that list. You click on it, you then can work that deal, make an offer, get that deal. So really simple software. We call it Data Cruncher. And what I want to do here is I want to give it to you for free. Free. I said that right, free. You don't have to pay for it, free, lifetime access, log in, get it for free, use it as often as you want. It's updated real time, meaning every single day, as soon as new deals come out, it'll automatically find them, bring them in. I recommend you go into the software every day so you can see what new deals are coming out. And again, it'll give you that list. You can delete the ones that you're not interested in, go after the ones that you really want, and it's just your shortcut to instant deals. Again, they're underpriced, meaning that the seller is probably motivated because they've got the property for sale below market value. It sources it, finds it, gives you the list, tells you how far below, and all you gotta do is click on it, contact that owner, make the offer, and get that deal, okay? Really awesome. It's a house flipping software that I'm giving you for free. To get it, all you gotta do is click the link in the description. That will take you to a page where you can put your email in. Once you put your email in on that page, we'll then email you your own custom login. Log in, use the software, start getting deals. Super awesome. My gift for you. All I ask in return is that you subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, tell me, how well it works for you, how excited you are to use it, any ideas you have, anything you want at all. Just leave a comment, tell me you appreciate this video, whatever. Do the thumbs up, that's a like. All of those things are great, I really appreciate that. And that's kind of all I ask for you to do in return for my free software. So do that right now, get the free software, and I can't wait to talk to you about how it's working for you. Jerry Norton, I'll see you next time.